On the road again with the wind in my hair, making memories with my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads and the sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high, Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air, hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl, and I Spyder blue.
The river's running high. There it is. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes. It's a beautiful Saturday, April 4th. I had to check the calendar before we left.
Happy Easter too, guys.
That's right.
Tomorrow, Pop
Sure.
Buddy Day.
Maybe we're out looking for the Easter bunny.
Carrots.
Carrot. Okay, our plans are to go to Nebraska Bridge and see how flooded it is. Because all the rain we've been getting lately, it's been, the rivers are running high. Our creek in the backyard looks like a white water rafting.
Yeah. Sounds like it too.
So stay tuned and we'll see where it takes us.
Riding with my baby up on Route 66, cruising through the mountains, dodging all the sticks. Sunset in the mirror shining bright and quick, on our CanAm Spyder feeling so slick. Engine humming like a sweet guitar, miles ahead but we'll go far. Oh, we're flying free, just you and me. Down that highway, wild and free. Flying free,
Things are getting greener.
just you and me.
Some of the fields are already plowed, and others have the aroma on them.
Yeah. Shit spray.
Yes. It's a beautiful 75-degree day.
A comfortable
Yes.
75 degrees.
But every day, you get more and more buds on the trees, and they're getting greener. And of course, the grass is getting greener. So don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment. We got some new music coming in on our videos. We're gonna update some of the pictures. We'll get that going slowly. So let us know what you think. And remember, subscribe and hit that like button. All appreciated. Yeah, Garmin tried to send us down Lickin' Drive, which once before we come in this way, and it ends up to be a dirt road.
Yep.
So it looked familiar, so I said, nope. We're not making that mistake twice.
our adventure, feeling free, riding through the hills where the wild winds beat. Through CanAm shining in the light, country roads are calling day and night. Mountains standing tall so high, rolling hills beneath the sky. Perfect picture painted clear, every moment brings us nowhere. Oh, the open road, it sings to me, through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide, with you right here by my side.
Here's the road close sign. High water.
Oh, it's not close, so that's a good sign.
I'm sure the bridge is flooded. Well, check it out together. About a mile to go.
Pretty.
Yes, it is. Right in a little valley, or
Chili Valley.
the Chili Valley. Always gonna check out the bridge. Oh, nice and clean and clear. Here it comes. There's the
Holy
bridge.
crap! It's under.
Check this out. That's the bridge.
That's as far as we go. Go right up to the water, honey.
Right up to the water, honey. Isn't that? Wow. I have to stop and take pictures with the camera to zoom in on it.
Well, I can zoom in on this if you let me.
And I think the top of that is 13 feet, is 9 inches is the clearance on that bridge. And that is underwater by 13 feet.
Wow.
We can't even get to the parking area. Wow. Okay, cool. We're 2/10 of a mile from the bridge, and it's underwater.
Yeah, we used to park over there too.
Nebraska Bridge stood brave and true against the tide it couldn't subdue. The current song grew loud and clear as flood in time was drawing near. The river rose without a care and put the bridge under there. The waters danced the whole night through.
Well, this is Nebraska Bridge. And as you can see, just the top of it, the water is over 13 feet above normal. The clearance on that bridge is 13 feet, 9 inches. Look at that. Wow. We're 2/10 of a mile from the bridge. The park. It's on the other side of that tree. It's a parking area. You can't even get to it. What do you think, babe? Huh? It's fine. Just a little bit. And there was some fishing over here. I think this is another parking area.
East, painted CanAm blue. Me and my baby making our dreams come true. Got that coastal highway bending in the sun. This adventure's only barely just begun. Leaving all
Now
our
that
worries
was
in the dust
amazing.
we made. Got a front row ticket
That
to
it
this
was.
sunlit
That it was.
escapade.
Oh my God.
Side by side into that glowing sunset ride. Into
Now
that
destination
glowing sunset.
unknown. So if you like that, don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button, thumbs up, leave a comment. This is Tynesta Lake. Out of it.
Where the wild winds blow. Blue CanAm shining in the light. Country roads are calling day and night. Mountains standing tall so high. Rolling hills beneath the sky. Perfect picture painted clear. Every moment brings us near. Oh, the open road, it sings to me. Through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide. With you right here by my side. Sunset colors fill the air. Golden moments we both share. Engine humming like a song, taking us where we belong. Rivers flowing soft and slow. Feel the green begin to glow. Every turn a new surprise. Sparkling bright in our eyes. Oh, the open road, it sings to me. Through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide. With you right here by my side.
We're on German Hill Road out of Tynesta. Am I saying it right?
Yep.
Rick Lyman must be part of the state park because it's all green on the GPS. Going up pretty high. Whoop,
Whoopsie.
whoopsie-doo on that house. Tree landed on the roof. Okay, we're coming up to the bridge. This is as far as we can go. Here it is. We got kayakers and paddle boaters. You can't even see the bridge from here.
You could from the hill up
Oh,
there, but
yeah.
wow.
That's what it looks like from the other side.
Damn.
Cool. Oh well. We couldn't get close enough. On the ball? There's one over there.
No, I saw that.
Oh, okay. All right. Now you've seen both sides of the Nebraska Bridge. Here we are going through Clarion.
Arian.
Them the same bikers over there on the way.
Yep.
Home sweet home. I hope you enjoyed the ride as much as we did.
That was good. It was a nice ride.
It was a beautiful ride.
We finally get to see a Nebraska Bridge underwater.
Yep. Oh, that's why I was turning here. Okay.
You forgot where we lived.
I forgot where we live. So thanks for coming along, and don't forget, like, hit that bell, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you already have, we thank you.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Always me and you in blue. Laughing loud with the sky so wide. Adventures calling from every side.